Look forward to seeing that, you betcha. So we're watching the conditions out the door this early morning. Do have some gray skies kind of building in now. There's a few little breaks you see there from our sky cams right now. A little bit of wind too, but a cold front came in late yesterday. That's now moved in, and it'll be cooler here coming up for your weekend. Today's weather looks cool. Tomorrow looks cold as this next storm system moves in. There it is spinning right now down over the Four Corners region, moving across New Mexico and Arizona. That'll keep working its way eastward, and by tomorrow that'll roll up and across Oklahoma, spreading areas of rain. Some of that rain will be heavy, and some snow, and some of that snow may be heavy. So we're watching that. This is what we're looking at right now. Mainly rain coming up into the state right now. Some showers moving up into western Oklahoma. Those extend down near the Red River over to the southeast parts of the state, and that'll move up across the southern part of the state for the most part before moving off to the east going into the afternoon and evening. The main part of the storm, the colder part of the storm, still hanging out west, where we have winter storm warnings right now going on from parts of Colorado into New Mexico and the Oklahoma and Texas panhandles. We could see that change over to a winter storm warning in parts of west Oklahoma. Right now it's a watch, so the areas we're watching most closely for the highest totals will be somewhere here out west, especially into southwest Oklahoma. But here in Oklahoma City right now, no advisories for us at this moment. We could see some advised conditions tomorrow, so keep your News 9 weather app open. Keep it close at hand as we have any changes coming in to our Sunday night forecast. This is a look at the snowfall forecast. At least what we're thinking out of this is kind of a tough situation because there's a lot of heavy rain out of this. If we can get those temperatures cold enough, that could be heavy snowfall. But right at that edge, we're trying to figure out which will it be. Will it be more rain? Will it be more snow? We're kind of a mix in between. This is kind of what we're thinking on that. I think there'll be areas that have snow across western, northern, and central Oklahoma, and then eventually that moves to the east. The highest total still look to be down in southwest Oklahoma, 4, maybe as high as 8 inches of snowfall. It's going to be just a real wet, sloppy snow, good snowball and snowman type snow, and that could nose up towards central Oklahoma, and then get a little break, and then more snow develops tomorrow evening. Maybe another 1 to 3 from near the metro on to the east. So I think it's going to be a light event for us. Again, the only caveat, if the system's colder, that'll change that. We'll monitor that as we get the whites of its eyes by tomorrow morning. Right now, though, generally a light event for Oklahoma City. A trace amount, maybe as much as 3 in some spots. Again, the heaviest total still trending down into southwest Oklahoma here today. Right now, 40 this morning. Winds right now putting wind chill at 33. Cold start this morning. We've got 44 here at 10 o'clock. Near 52 at 2, 54 by 4 o'clock. And there may be a spitting little rain shower or two coming up from lunchtime into the afternoon, but chances running about 20%. Just kind of a chilly day today. Definitely much chillier than it's been the last couple of days. 32, Woodward 40 in OKC. Got a few spots down in southeast Oklahoma near 50 with some wind. And a few gusts right now are up near 20. That drops those wind chills down to the 20s and 30s. So prepare for a cold morning if you're getting out there this morning. Kind of chilly, getting you started on your Saturday. Here's the storm system coming in. Mainly some rain here today. Rain chance starts to shift over to east and southeast Oklahoma by late afternoon. Then the main storm comes out. You see the rain, the snow, and again, where you see the rain coming in, some of that could be mixing over to snow in southwest Oklahoma. Also some heavy rain setting up. Some of that will move up into Oklahoma going into the daytime hours tomorrow. Again, more snow in the far southwest, into the far west part of the state. Again, a little snow maybe mixing in with this as it moves up towards central Oklahoma. Get some areas of showers continue, and eventually that starts to move off to the east. But again, that changes over to snow tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, before that system starts to move on off to the east by Monday morning. 40s and some 50s on the way coming up for today. We'll see rain chances possible. Best chances in the south and especially the south and east parts of the state. Going into tonight, that system moves eastward. Then the next system comes in. Some rain, maybe a little snow mixing in. The best chance is snow in parts of far west Oklahoma. Elk City, Eric, over toward Hollis and Mangum. You've got a chance of some snow later tonight as lows drop into the 30s, and then we'll rebound only into the mid 30s to low 30s by tomorrow afternoon as a cold rain sets in. That will really stall those temps out. Here's the snow. Watch it move up from Monday morning into Monday afternoon. Most of the snow will keep going in southwest Oklahoma, and eventually we'll have that change over to snow here in the central parts. But again, kind of a cold day tomorrow with low 30s in southwest Oklahoma. That snow starts to move in Sunday evening and move across Sunday night, and by Monday morning it moves east and it is out of here. So we'll start with some rain tomorrow morning in Oklahoma City. Eventually the change over to snow will be possible by late afternoon. You can see the chances of it changing over from a mix or from rain to a mix going up through the day tomorrow. Most likely chances of snow coming in late tomorrow with our temperatures bottoming out in the 30s. But really, that's about it. We warm it back up. Got 50s. How about that near 60 for Valentine's Day? We're tracking to the cold front and a few more chances of precip toward the end of that 9-day. Got some mild temperatures back on the way.